Alright guys, hey, this is Bull, and I am showing you guys the RaceChip GTS Black installation on a 2018 G80 Sport by Genesis. So it's a real easy install. I've placed the module up there, the unit, and basically it comes with 3 adapters that you got to stick in. So you have one adapter, they come labeled with an A, and then there's a B and a C, which is back here. And basically the A goes right here into the turbo module right here. So there's a normal module that's connected right here with your system, and it comes off of this line right here. And basically it's this piece right here. So this guy right here used to be connected down here, and with the first installation piece you take the A set of cords and you separate these two that were right here on your factory motor. This is the 3.3 liter twin turbo V6. And so anyway, you take that A strip right here and you separate the one that used to be right here, and you connect in, and then you connect into the previous one. So again, this used to be connected here, and you separate them, and then you not tie them all in, and that module is going to come back and go to the unit, which is up there. Then the second one, you come across here, you come into the manifold, which is right here, and this is your B. So here's my B cord right here, and again it splits off into a double. So from this module that used to be connected, I've got these separated a little, but off this eyelet right there, basically there's this is your base model one right here. So this unit piece right here used to be connected up here. And what you do again is you split them off, and there's a Y connection at B. You stick one in there and you connect the other one down here. Now I've already tied these down and did some cord management, so that's why they're a little separated. Okay, and then the last one's the C, which comes right here. And this one's a little trickier to find, but basically you're going to come down, and I think this goes to your injector, which is right here. Unit. And so you have an injector unit right here, and the piece that used to go to that actually is tucked. It's actually a tighter connection, so it's right here. So mine actually had a barcode on it, but so you have a piece that comes out from this line right here and basically goes into there, and you separate those, and again you have a C connector. It's split. Here's the T right there, and so one goes into here and one goes into the original one, which again is down here. It's real tight through there. So you got injector, manifold, and then the turbo right there, and that's it. So I went ahead and did some cord control. It looks a little sloppy in the video, but it's actually pretty tight. I did a tie piece right here, which actually ties into there's like some cords already right here, so it ties in, and then just did a normal clip right there, and then over here just tied it in, boom, right there, tucked it in under here, and then actually got a little bolt that's under here. I actually tied this piece to that, so makes it kind of nice and clean. And then that lets you get, and I ran these two under here, and then there's actually one that's running on under here. So, you know, pops it up a little bit, but you still, basically you got to pop these. You pop these by pushing them in the center, and they pop out, and then there's actually another one right under here as well, and that lets you get a little bit of leverage on there. And then so one set's coming again from back here under and tying in, and then I have it coming around this post. There's actually framed post here, and this one comes in under here, so you can see it's got a little bit of a gap there. And then I tied them together right here, so I actually went around this frame piece here, tied it in, not too tight, and then just have it sitting right on top of the fuse box here. So that'll probably put down with Velcro. But again, anyway, that's the Racechip system right there set up. And if you do everything correctly, follow the instructions, they're really well done. You turn it on without turning the engine on once you get it all hooked up, and you should get no errors. It should let you connect them in and be all set. So let me show you what this looks like with the cover on. Find it here. Okay, so nice and clean, yeah. So these guys get tucked under here. You know, it follows what's already been tied down. You got some, you know, bundles that are already tied, and then back here, obviously, it's pretty clean. It gets a little messy back there as normal, but you don't really see it. And so you get a couple cords there and one running up there, but all in all, pretty clean. Haven't done too much to this. I got some K&N filters and just in the stock intakes right there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try the new intakes or not. Got some stuff I want to do, but just kind of having some fun with it now as some stuff's coming out for this engine, which is a pretty awesome engine. A lot of power that's kind of waiting to be unleashed. So the nice thing too with this chip is, so I think we're 365 horse and maybe 370 something or other, I can't remember the torque, but this chip claims that it puts it at 425-ish horsepower and then over 500 torque. And from what I've seen, I've only driven it just slightly. We've had some rain, it's all wet, but I'll get it out tomorrow. But when you this comes with an app option, and when you bring that in, it has your standard 370, and then once you Bluetooth into this, it actually will upgrade that, and mine's reading at 428 horsepower, so that's pretty cool. So it's giving you a nice, you know, 60-ish horse on top of what's already pretty nice in here. It's a heavy car, but you know, it's not going to be as light as obviously the G70 coming out or the Stinger. It's kind of in between, but all in all, I think it'll be nice to have some more power to an already really nice ride. So hey, that's just wanted to share this with you guys, and I'll see you on the forums. Bye.